Well, new moves by health officials are prompting confusion and some concern for changing guidelines on vaccines to an expected report from Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., potentially linking the use of Tylenol by pregnant women to autism. NBC's Marissa Parra has more.
Back to school is being met with vaccine confusion. With changing guidelines for the COVID vaccine, states taking some decisions into their own hands, including Florida, which is planning to drop many vaccine requirements for school kids this year. The state's Surgeon General, who last week compared the current vaccine policies to slavery, doubling down over the weekend.
Did you do any data projection of how many new cases of these diseases there will be in Florida once you remove vaccine mandates?
Absolutely. So absolutely not. The way you're portraying it is nonsense. We don't need to do any projections. We handle outbreaks all the time. So there's nothing special that we would need to do.
Parents wondering what to do.
If Florida drops the mandate, so many more families will then not get vaccinated.
A number of states nationwide are scrambling to create their own plans amid chaos at the CDC and recent changes implemented by Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.
I've been brought in as a new manager, and my job is to shake up the organization.
Kennedy's sister and nephew joining calls for his resignation over his vaccine skepticism. The president last week weighing in on vaccines.
And I think you have to be very careful when you say that some people don't have to be vaccinated. Look, you have vaccines that work.
And now another possible flashpoint of confusion. According to a Wall Street Journal report citing people familiar with the matter, the HHS plans to release a review linking autism to pregnant women's use of acetaminophen, the active ingredient in Tylenol. An HHS spokesperson tells NBC News, quote, "Until we release the final report, any claims about its contents are nothing more than speculation." The maker of Tylenol maintains their evaluations have found, quote, "no causal link between acetaminophen use during pregnancy and autism."
Study after study has actually shown that there's no causal link with Tylenol and pregnancy and autism.